Here is the truth. Manifestation always works, but it doesn't always work the way we want. The gap between what you desire and what you receive often comes down to hidden blocks, beliefs, and energy alignment. Let's break it down step by step. Hi everyone, this is Coach with Urooj, your life coach, here to help you manifest abundance, heal from your blocks, and create a positive, fulfilling life. If you have been trying manifestation techniques, affirmations, vision boards, scripting, but you are not seeing results, then today's vlog is for you. You are going to uncover the real reasons why manifestation is not working for you and how you can finally shift things in your favor. Reason number one, you are manifesting from lack. Many people focus on what they don't have rather than what they want. For example, saying, I want more money because I don't have enough, only reinforces the energy of not enough. The universe responds to your dominate vibration. If your energy is rooted in lack, you attract more lack. Solution for this, shift your statements from desperation to gratitude and possibilities. For example, I am open to receive financial abundance in new and exciting way. Reason number 2, limiting beliefs are blocking you. You don't know about it. Deep down, you may not believe you deserve what you are asking for. Common hidden beliefs: money is hard to earn, I am not lovable enough, or success is for others, not for me. These beliefs act like walls in your subconscious mind. I already mentioned before what is subconscious mind and all. Stopping manifestation, energy from flowing. Solution for this, there are so many methods. You can use any method to release these blocks. Reason number 3, you are attached to the outcome. When you constantly check, where is my manifestation? Why hasn't it shown up? You are sending out worry and doubt. This creates resistance and slow things down. Manifestations requires faith and letting go. Imagine planting a seed. You don't dig it up every day to see if it's growing. So, solution is trust divine timing. Focus on aligned actions and let the universe surprise you. Number 4, your energy is not aligned. I have seen so many people, their energy is not aligned what they are doing. Thoughts alone are not enough. Your feelings and actions must match your desire. If you say you want health but still engage in stress and unhealthy habits, you are out of alignment. Manifestation is a whole body, whole mind process. Solution for this, embody the version of yourself who already has what you desire. Ask yourself daily, what would the future me do today? Reason number 5, you are not taking inspired action. Many believe manifestation means just thinking positively and waiting. But action bridges the gap between thought and reality. For example, If you are manifesting a new job, visualize it, but also update your CV, apply network, stay open to opportunities. The universe meets you halfway when you move toward your desires. Number 6, you are forgetting gratitude. Gratitude is the most important thing. Must do it. Gratitude is a magnet for miracles. Without it, even the best manifestation stall. When you focus on what's already working, you raise your vibration and invite more blessings. Start or end your day by listing at least 5 things you are grateful for. Practical exercises I am telling you here. Here is a quick practice you can start by today. Number 1, write down your desire in a present tense as if it's already yours. Number 2, close your eyes and feel the emotion of already having it. Number 3, release it with faith and take one small action that moves you closer to your goal. Do this daily and watch how your energy shifts. So, if manifestation has not been working for you, check in with these 6 reasons. Remember, it's not about forcing, it's about aligning your energy, beliefs, and actions. If you are struggling with hidden blocks or limiting beliefs, you don't have to do it all alone. You can book a private healing session with me, Coach with Urooj, where I will clear all trapped emotion and reprogram your energy for success. Follow me on my all platform for more guidance with the same name, Coach with Urooj. Thank you for watching, and remember, you have the power to create the life you desire. Stay positive, stay aligned, and keep manifesting your best self. See you till next vlog. Thank you.